Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting prerequisites installed so nothing blocks Flutter later. First, install Git and download the Flutter SDK. Extract it to a short path like C/src/Flutter. Next, install Visual Studio Code and the Dart extension. This gives language support. Once done, add Flutter to your path so Flutter commands run from any terminal. On Mac OS, use the //zsh profile. On Windows, edit environment variables. Make sure Git is usable in the terminal before moving forward. Run Flutter Doctor now to see what's missing. It lists Android toolchain, licenses, and Vscode plugins. If Android is missing, install Android Studio just for the SDK and command line tools, then set Android SDK root or Android home to the SDK path so Flutter detects it. Accept Android licenses with Flutter Doctor Android licenses. Once done, create or start an AVD emulator, or connect a physical device and verify Flutter devices shows it. In Vscode, install the Flutter and Dart extensions. They add project templates, debugging, and hot reload. Create a new Flutter project via the command palette and open lib/main. Dart, then start the emulator and press F5 to run. Make sure hot reload works by editing code and saving. If something fails, run Flutter Doctor again and fix items it flags. Common issues are path misconfiguration or missing Android licenses. Correct those. Restart the terminal and retry running the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.